Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm sharing with you guys how you can make your own lip and cheek tint easily at home. So this lip and cheek tint is made up of beetroot and has all the natural ingredients which will not harm your skin. So if you don't want to use those chemically made lip and cheek tints which are easily available in the market but they are harmful to your skin or they doesn't suit you, then you should definitely try out this homemade lip and cheek tint which gives you rosy and pink cheeks and really beautiful red lips. So do try out this homemade lip and cheek tint. It's really easy to prepare, and to prepare this tint you firstly gonna need a beetroot. So here I'm just taking this beetroot and now with the help of a peeler I'm peeling its skin off. So now after peeling its skin off, now we have to cut the beetroot into small pieces. So now after cutting it into small pieces, now we have to blend it to make a smooth paste. And I'm just putting all these beetroot pieces into a blending jar. So now after putting all the beetroot pieces into this blending jar, now I'm just adding rose water into it. And here I'm just adding 4 to 5 tablespoons of rose water into it so that it makes a smooth paste. And after adding the rose water, now we have to just blend it really nicely so that it makes a smooth and a fine paste. And now once it's nicely blended, the beetroot paste will look something like this. And now with the help of a strainer, I'm just straining this beetroot paste to take out all the beetroot juice out of it. And after straining this beetroot paste, your homemade beetroot juice is ready and it will look something like this. So to prepare this tint, I'm firstly taking approx 2 teaspoons of this beetroot juice into a clean bowl. After that, you're gonna need glycerin, and here I'm adding half a teaspoon of glycerin into it. Then to add more moisture into it, I'm adding vitamin E oil, and I'm just adding 1/4 teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. And if you're using the vitamin E capsule, just use 1 vitamin E capsule. And now lastly, you're going to need Vaseline, and here I'm just adding approx 1/4 teaspoon of Vaseline into it, or just add a little bit of Vaseline. And after adding the Vaseline, just mix everything really well so that it makes into a fine and a creamy liquid. So now after mixing everything really well, your homemade beetroot lip and cheek tint is ready, and it will look something like this. This tint will be in a liquid form and it has a beautiful color to it. So this homemade tint will not only make your lips and cheeks really pink and rosy, but it will also nourish your lips and cheeks as it has all the natural ingredients into it. So it will also benefit your skin and lips and will make your skin and lips really hydrating, supremely moisturized, glossy and supremely glowing as well. So the easiest way to store this beetroot lip and cheek tint is into a dropper. So use any airtight dropper, or you can even use any airtight jar to store this beautiful beetroot tint. And you can use this tint as you use any other tint. Just apply it onto your cheeks or onto your lips and just pat it down so that it completely melts into your skin and gives you that rosy and pink cheeks, as well as also makes your skin supremely moisturized, hydrating and glowing. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.